Hey guys, Lance with AVD here. We're going to look at connecting to the vehicle today. So first things first, we want to make sure that our J2534 cable is plugged into our PC. You'll see that up here where it says device ready. So if we unplug it, it'll tell you no device. This is a way you can see if you have like any issues, if your drivers aren't working or the cable's bad, whatnot. It'll tell you essentially here. This is like the first stage. So when you connect your dongle into your laptop, my computer is now recognizing that I have the dongle plugged in, and so it can see here that the device is ready. We're going to have our key on in the on position and the engine off. From there, we're going to make sure we're at the home screen here, and we're going to connect to the vehicle. It's going to give us a warning, and it's going to say make sure that the ignition is on, but the engine is off. Engine off, ignition on. That first click there. You can make sure it doesn't show you again if you want to. We'll leave it on for now. So we have done that, and so once you do, it'll initially scan. The banner will turn green. So it's reading our battery voltage. It's telling us that it's good. We have it on a maintainer, which we recommend that you do for any deep scans, any write functions. It's telling us the status of the key on, engine off. Showing here that we're connected. You can see that it's a 25 Grenadier. It's a petrol engine, our VIN number, our miles in kilometers in this instance. So from there, you are connected. To disconnect, same process. You just hit disconnect. It's very easy to switch back and forth to connect it, disconnect it. A license is required, so you can see your license status up here. It'll tell you information. You can connect when the internet is off. So if we were to turn off our internet down there, it'll still be able to connect to the vehicle. This is just so if you're on the trail, you're somewhere where you don't have connection to the internet, you can still scan stuff. You won't be able to write. If it won't connect, you can try verifying your cable. Try using a different USB port. Make sure that the engine is off and the ignition is on. So key on, engine off. Close any other diagnostic programs that you may have that could be using the dongle. This status area shows the exact error to help pinpoint the cause. This is kind of looking at here. If this doesn't stay connected, that's how you know it's something between the computer and the car. So it's not necessarily in the car. So connect first, then open a screen. So that's saying that you want to connect from this screen. If you go into health scan or something like that, and then you try to connect from there. So let's say we didn't connect originally and we connected from this screen here, it can just cause hiccups in the program. So you always want to connect from the home screen. So from this main screen here.